Alright, hey guys, what's up? It's Austin. So today we are going to be jumping back into the Alien palette. Today I kind of want to play around with the greens, like this kind of side of the palette. You guys, I'm just going to give you a shit ton of looks with this palette because you guys deserve it, and I just want to really play with it. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with the P. Louise base, zoom you guys in, and we'll jump right into it. I'm going to jump straight into Flying Saucer with the MAC 221, of course. Also, if you guys hear like little dinging running around, it's my dogs playing. I'm sorry. So I like to take my product on my brush and kind of stamp it into the crease. Not like stamping, but you know, lightly pressing the color in. Just building up the opacity. Just so that way we can get it super bold. And then now, I'm just starting to lightly blend. Kind of making sure the color is even and opaque throughout all of where I stamped it. But and then I'm just going to take a little Morphe M507, a little bit of Gravity, and just kind of blend right at those edges. Oh, that wasn't, oh no, I feel like there was black on that brush because I didn't clean it off good enough. Shit. Oh no, it's just the color mixing with that green. How interesting. Let's try taking Martian Soil. To blend that color out. I don't know if you guys can see what's happening, but I'm very confused. I don't know how to use this green color, honestly. I just wanted to use it. Because there's no like... Oh, fuck. I'm so stupid. Shit, I hate myself. I didn't even see Abduction literally right above it. I'm literally so dumb. Fuck, I don't want to wipe this off. Okay, I'm literally just gonna cover it up with my P. Louise base. Like, honestly. That's what's about to happen. I'm so stupid. I didn't see that shade there. I don't want to like completely wipe it off and restart because kind of getting this base to like lay down and like set takes a minute, so I'm too lazy to kind of fuck with that right now, so we're literally just going to cover it up with this base. Okay, now we're going to take a Morphe M506 and dip into Abduction. And just kind of start diffusing those colors out. Alright, so I got the other eye caught up because my camera overheated because it's a little bitch, because what else is new? I'm going to take a Morphe M506 and Ghost OG, just to add a little bit of definition because we're doing a little halo eye. And when we cut it, I really want there to be a good amount of like separation between the cut and our lid. Going in between Ghost OG and Flying Saucer just to keep blending them out, just so that way there's no harsh separation. So now I'm going to take a MAC 252 with a little bit of my P. Louise base. And I'm going to start in the center, bringing it up pretty high. And then on the inner corner. And then the outer. So the reason I do this is because it allows me to repack my darker colors on the inner and outer corner, making them more bold. Because they've already been powdered down quite a bit for my transition shades. So it just gives me a nice clean area to reapply those colors to make them bold and not kind of for them to not kind of just like fluff away. I'm gonna take Alien. I've been dying to touch this shade, to play with it. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit, that is so pretty. Oh my god. I'm going to dip into Flying Saucer first, just to kind of get that green gradient going. And just pack it on the outer corner. Not really setting that base though, just more so on that shimmer so that way it fades into the gray really nicely. You know? Just dipping straight back into Ghost OG. Holy shit. Okay, I think I'm going to be a little risky here. I think I'm going to take a little black hole. So I'm going to take a little 219 from MAC, a little pencil brush, dipping straight into black hole. And I'm just going to kind of pack it right on those corners. Yes, mama. Yes. Okay, and then I'm going to take my brush that I was using for Ghost OG and just kind of buffing that out. And just kind of buff out those edges right here. Just make sure everything's nice and soft and cohesive. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna pop on some mascara lashes, finish up the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have lashes on. I'm gonna take Urban Decay Perversion. I'm just run this right along the waterline. And I'm going to take a clean Morphe M506 and buff that out. Ghost OG and run that right along it with the Morphe M506. And then I'm actually going to pick up a little bit of Moon Rock and take this on more of the inner corner area. Are you fucking serious? My dog just peed! Oh my god. Okay, we're back now. Shit, I didn't know what was going on. I'm actually gonna take Black Hole and kind of run that right here. And I'm gonna reline to give back that depth. I'm gonna dip into Pluto and kind of hit this right on the inner corner. My lighting is all kinds of fucked up. NARS Laguna. I'm gonna lightly bronze with this shade. I'm gonna take a little bit of my contour shade. I'm not gonna say what it is because we don't support her. I'm going to take a little bit of my Milani Luminoso. Beauty blender. God, this lighting is so bad. I'm so pissed off. I'm going to take a little bit of highlighter. I'm going to take a little bit of my Mario Badescu setting spray, or not setting spray, but facial spray. This is the lavender one. Alright, I'm going to zoom you guys in so that way you can see it close up. Alright you guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, I just had a burp. Ugh, ew. This palette is so easy to work with and I love it and I'm obsessed with it. I'm going to do one more video with it and then we'll call it good and I will just jump into things with, who knows, when new makeup's out. I don't know what else to try. So yeah, I'll think about that. I will be back soon. I don't know what to do next. If you guys have any suggestions or you guys want to see anything specific that you would like me to do, you can DM me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, even Facebook. Yeah. This lighting is so ugly right now. I'm so annoyed. I'm just gonna go, guys, because I'm so annoyed. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day, great week, great month, great rest of your year. Who knows when I will see you next, because it's me. Let's be honest here. But yeah, alright. Peace out, guys.